unbox it here for the first time, and we're going to open up the box, see what comes with it. Okay, I'll put that there. We have our conversion kit. They come in different colors. I chose this one with the US flag. You can get them in just black, flat, dark earth, different colors, but I chose this one. There is no firearm in here. This is just a conversion kit to convert it where you can use an arm brace, obviously not a stock, but an arm brace. So we have the conversion kit, and this will accommodate different models of Glock. Now this comes packaged and shipped at the size to use for the Glock 19 size Glock models. So we're going to have to change that because today we're going to be putting a Glock 22 40 cal in this conversion kit. Now let's take a look at what else we got here. Okay, we have a little Allen wrench, probably come in handy later. We have our instruction manual. I suggest that you read that. And then we have a list of accessories from CAA that can be used on this Glock conversion kit. So it looks like that's all that's in the box there, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Put that to the side. Okay, as I said, this conversion kit comes ships where we'll accommodate the Glock 19 size model Glocks. We have two screws here that we're going to have to take out. Okay, one on both sides. Now, all we have to do is grip the barrel shroud, pull it forward as far as it will go, look to see if the holes are lined up, and you will see it says Glock 17 here. Now, this now will accommodate the Glock 17 size Glocks, and this one is specifically for Generation 4. And so we're going to put a Glock 20 in it, which is the same size, and it will accommodate. Now we just put these screws back in and tighten them down. You don't have to tighten them over, tighten them. I wouldn't put any Loctite or anything on them. It's not necessary. Okay, now let's open this up. Here you have a little a notch here where this locks this arm brace into place. So what we want to do is just kind of gently push this up, push the release button back here, and as we push that up, it folds and locks into place. Okay, now we have our Glock 22 here, and we're going to do a safety check on it. And as I always like to mention, there is no ammo in the work area. So pull that back, release the magazine. There is no ammo in this magazine. I have an extra magazine over here. There is no ammo in this magazine, and there is no ammo in the chamber. So what we're going to do now is we have our charging handle here, and these serrations in the back of the Glock slide are going to fit up into this. We want to There's a latch here. We just push this button, the release button, pull it down. Make sure your charging handle is to the rear. It'll angle somewhere like this. We put it up, line that up, push it in place, slide forward, and you can hear it lock in place. Now the rear latch, we just push it up, push it forward, and now it's locked into place. Now you have your Generation 4 Glock 22 40 cal. We can pull our charging handle back, put our empty magazine in, pull it back, and it does lock into place. And our extra magazine, there is a place here where you can store the magazine. It comes with Picatinny rail, full Picatinny rail on the top, 2 short Picatinny rails on either side where you can mount optics, lights, lasers, whatever you might choose to do. Okay, today what we're going to do is we're just going to put some sights on it so we can take this thing to the range. So we want some sights. I just have a set of sights here that are just regular open sights. We're going to install these. Okay, I put my rear one on. This comes with a screw. It's not a Allen wrench, it's a screw. Screw that down on both sides. And the front side. And there you have it. To carry this, you might want to fold the stock up to make it more compact. Again, all we do is push this release button. Here's our little locking tab. We have to release charging handle forward, close this up a little bit, then push down on the, and I have a little case here, old trumpet case, fits right in here. Easy for carrying. Now we're ready to go to the range or